come up the stage and put on this Academic Performance Award and give the certificate of recognition. Congratulations, Juliessa Nicole J. Idelio, with high honors. Another with high honors, Glyza D. Incluna. Glyza Incluna won first place at the District Festival of Talent 2025 Food Preparation category. First place winner in IAD level food prep category. Third place winner in the Division Festival of Talent Food Prep category. First place winner in table tennis single B category. Member of the school volleyball team who won first place in the district meet 2025 and a member of the school ukulele ensemble. Congratulations, Glyza D. Incluna. Another with high honors, Star Jassy E. Moliero. Jassy E. Moliero is a member of the ukulele ensemble and participant with the district schools press conference. Ladies and gentlemen, here are the 33 students with honors. Kate Hilary P. Cardoza.